Thank you for tuning back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raul. I hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are. In this video, you will see me riding my Royal Enfield Himalayan from Mumbai to Nashik. I will be passing through the famous Kasara Ghat. I will be visiting the shrine of the infant Jesus, which is known for its miraculous powers. You will see me having the time of my life cycling through the beautiful countryside vineyards of Sula. And finally, staying for the night at the Beyond Sula resort on the backwaters of Godavari river. So let's start from beginning. I started from Mumbai on Saturday morning around 6 am on the Nashik highway. The road is not so good until you pass some 10 kilometers beyond Kalyan Bhivandi junction. I stopped by for breakfast at the famous Bhagat Tarachand hotel and had idli vada with a shot of coffee. So this is my breakfast, idli vada, sambar and chutney. So let me have my breakfast and I'll see you on the road. The road widening work going on for years along the Nashik highway keeps your speed under control. Once you cross Kasara and hit the ghat, the roads are pretty good, I must say. Sneaking around the big trucks and trailers and cornering the beautiful ghat roads is a treat for bikers. Once you cross the ghat, you start seeing beautiful resorts on both sides as you pass through the fog city of Igatpuri. I reached the shrine of infant Jesus well in time for the afternoon service, which is held for the travelers. So guys, I am in the shrine of the infant Jesus in Nashik, and I just now attended the traveler service. So there is a special service conducted at 12 p.m. noon for travelers. So let me show you inside the shrine. Nashik is a pilgrimage city dotted with temples and holy sites. This shrine is a part of this holy city. The Shrine of Infant Jesus remains open daily from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. People of all faiths come here with faith and devotion and place their burdens and prayerful intentions at His feet. They go back renewed in grace and touched by His love and healing. Such is the power of this miraculous shrine of Infant Jesus. You can check at the petition counter in the shrine. Fill the petition slips kept on the counter and drop them in the box. All petitions are placed on the altar during the perpetual novena masses on Thursdays. After spending more than 2 hours in the shrine, I left the shrine around 1:30 p.m. towards Sula. After the Mass, I rode in the hot sun towards the beautiful vineyards of Sula, Soma, and York wineries. Beyond by Sula is a small luxury resort nestled opposite the serene waters of Gangapur Lake, dotted by the Western Ghats. The resort features 7 rooms and a 3-bedroom villa, offering stunning character and panoramic views. You can enjoy an unforgettable experience at incredible 3-bedroom sky villa with its own private pool. You can relax by some spellbinding infinity pools and enjoy nature while sipping some wine. It is designed to merge with nature and yet stand out character and charm. This beautiful resort is recommended for travelers looking for a quiet getaway around wine and dine experiences. Overlooking the Gangapur Lake, this really exclusive and spacious room is modern, beautifully decorated, and benefits from a lot of natural light with its glass walls. The modern bathroom and its vegetation is for sure a highlight. The Lakeview Resort offers an unforgettable stay with warm hospitality and unique service quality in the picturesque scenes of Gangapur Lake. Early morning, I went on a beautiful walking trail to catch the sunrise near the Gangapur Lake. So it's morning time, sunrise time, and I am at the backwaters of beyond Sula. Just wanted to show you this beauty. Look at this. This is the Godavari River's backwaters. So that's Sula, and from there you have to take a trail here. It's a beautiful trail through the farms, nature, beautiful in the morning. Look at that backwaters, the mountain, the boats for fishermen. The Gangapur Lake is a worth seeing attraction of the region. It serves as a major water supply to most of the Nashik and a popular place for bird watching. Beyond this, the lake also offers kayaking and boating facilities. The best time to visit the lake is during monsoon and late evening. I could not shoot my return journey back to Mumbai as my GoPro failed to record. Time for a new GoPro, I think. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and keep smiling.